Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Encanto Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a new grinder as the other grinder wasn't working the way it's supposed to. This is the older grinder, as you can see. It wasn't grinding properly. We replaced it with the newer one that is located right there inside the whole machine. And we also deep cleaned the shower screen of the machine as well as replaced the O-ring from the brew unit. We also cleaned around the brew unit as well and lubricated a little bit just to make sure everything's running out smoothly. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out for you guys to see the grinder. I'm gonna treat it by putting the money in here, and this is just a manual sensor for grinding perfectly. Perfect. We can close the cap as the grounds are already into the brew unit, and it should be already moving over here, getting compressed and shooting coffee through the spouts. We also did clean the spouts as they were clogged. There was a lot of coffee built up in there. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color, looking amazing. And with still more, we're in the medium setting, so we can get a little bit more finer or coarser depending on the taste. And there you have it, Saeco Encanto working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.